what we are discussing in yesterday's class?
Discussed about
The introduction of
Java
Java.
buzzwords.
Right. So can you see some of the Java features? Some of the important Java features?
It's an object-oriented programming
So it is
language.
object-oriented programming. Any other?
It's
Um,
simple,
Simple.
object-oriented,
Right.
platform independent.
Yeah, very good. Platform. You should not miss out this platform independent. And this is the major feature of Java.
it's portable,
Portable. Right. Portable.
secure,
Secure.
simple, robust, multi-threaded.
Yeah. Robust multi-threaded. Yeah. Okay. So don't miss out multi-platform independent. And what is the command to compile a Java program?
Java C,
Java C is the command to compile a Java program. When you compile a Java program, which files will be generated?
class files.
Yeah, doc class files. It generates doc class files. Okay. And these doc class files are what? Bytecodes. We call these doc class files as bytecodes. Hello, Eamon. Hello, Eamon. Are you able to hear me, Eamon? Hello, Eamon. Hello, Eamon. Are you able to hear me? Yeah. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Rashikar. You can call me Raj. I'll be dealing with the Java technology. So just we started with the introduction of Java only. We did not enter into any practical part. And however, we'll be sending the documents to you, the previous classes, notes, and the recordings. Okay. Okay, man. Okay. So the things what we have discussed in the last classes will be revised automatically in our course. Automatically will get revised today. Yeah. Now, so today we'll be seeing about how to download Java and how to install Java on our machines. Then what settings we require to compile and run a Java program. And finally we'll see the explanation of Java.
ఫోన్ మాట్లాడుకోపు
Yeah, you can make yourself.
నువ్వు గంటలు మాట్లాడుకో అప్పుడు ఏముండదు.
So let us see downloading and installing Java. So what is the latest version of Java? What is the latest version of Java? Anyway. Yeah, Java 8.
Java 8.
Yeah. So we need to download Java 8. So you can go for, you can open Google and you can see Java 8 download. So let me show this one. Java 8 download. So the first link what you get from oracle.com, you can go to that link. So this is the URL, you can use directly to download Java. Okay. Then in this one, what you need to do is you need to accept the license. So once you accept the license, you can find Java for different operating systems. Like you can find Java for Linux, Solaris, Macintosh, and Windows. So Windows x86 means your 32-bit operating system. Windows x64 means 64-bit operating system. So depends on the type of operating system. How to check operating system type? Right click on computer and say properties. You can see the operating system type. In this case, 64-bit operating system. So you can go for the second link to download 64-bit. So just click on this JDK 8 64-bit. So you can start downloading your .exe file. It's application. I'm just cancelling, it is already done. So once it downloads, just double click on this which install your Java on your local machine. See here, I'll send this document to you, the complete diagrammatic picture of how Java is downloaded. So first of all, you check for the system type, whether 32 or 64. Complete documentation you can find here with the diagrams. Then you can open the URL. Then accept the agreement, and this link is for 32-bit and this link is for 64-bit. And once it gets downloaded, once you download this, click on this file to install Java. Then step by step, just click on next. Then by default your Java will get installed in C drive program files. By default Java will get installed in what? C drive program files. Okay. So if you want to change the folder of installation, we can click on this change and go for some other folder to install. So in my case, what I have done, instead of C drive, I have created it in D drive. I have selected C. Instead of C, I made it as D drive. So in my case, Java is installed in D drive program files. In my case, Java is installed in D drive program files. Okay. Then, once you select the path where you want to install Java, click on next. Then click on next. Then it will ask for, if you click on change, it will ask you to change the folder, and it will even ask you where you want to install JRE. If you want to change it, you can go for change here, else you can directly click on next. Just say next, 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 finish, that's it. So with that it completes your installation. Okay. So in my case, where Java is installed, in my case it is in D drive program files, Java, JDK 1.8. So this is the place where Java is installed, and this directory we call it as Java home. Where Java is installed, we call it as what? Java home. So in my case it is D drive program files Java JDK 1.8.0. So in my case it is JDK 1.8.0. And if you open Java home, you can find a folder called as bin. Under bin, you can find the commands like Java and JavaC commands. Java and JavaC. So in my case, where Java and JavaC commands are available in Java home / bin folder. So if someone asks where Java and JavaC commands are available, we have to say java.exe in javac.exe commands are available in Java home
Java /
bin folder. Java home / bin folder. So what is the use of JavaC command? To compile a Java program. And what is the use of Java command? To execute a Java program. I'll show you practically today about these commands. Okay. Now let us start developing a Java application, and we'll develop a Java application at the command prompt first. So for some days I'm going to show how to develop a Java program, how to write the Java programs at command prompt on Notepad only. Then after some days I'll introduce IDEs like Eclipse, and we'll work only with Eclipse till the end of Java. Let us start developing a Java application. At command prompt. So developing a Java application at command prompt. Let us see. So let me show all the steps, then I'm going to document all the steps. So let me start steps one by one. First of all, open a command prompt. How to open command prompt? Click on start, in run, you can say CMD. Click on start and in run, say CMD. Which will open command prompt to us. Then, so by default it will go to C drive. Now I want to work all our programs in D drive. I want to go to D drive. So how to go to D drive? So D colon here. Now we are in D drive. So once we enter into D drive, I want to create a folder for this batch. So where I can store all our Java programs. So let me create a folder md, or whenever you want to create a folder, we use the command md. Md means make directory. Then I'm giving the folder name as Java Online 23. So you can remember your batch number 23. So that in future, whenever you want to ask for some documents or some recordings, you can just refer your batch to. Okay, just say Java Online 23
Mm-hmm.
so that your documents will be in handy with you. So what are the classes you have done for this batch or recordings will be sent to you anytime. Then to go to your directory, cd Java Online 23. What's the meaning of cd? Change directory. MD means make directory, cd means change directory. Now we are working in the directory Java Online. Now create the program. Whenever you want to write a Java program, we make use of a command notepad and the name of the file. So I'm saying here welcome.java. So notepad welcome.java. So the extension given to Java programs is .java. Then it will open the notepad. Then start writing the program // to display welcome message onto the screen. To display welcome message onto the screen. So what is this line is called as? Anyone? Any idea? What we call this statement as? This line as // Girish, Dinesh and Hemant. Anyone?
Slash slash
We use one terminology
even
called
if you
Yeah, I
written
hear you.
what these are called as comments.
Comments.
Yeah, comments. And comments are ignored by compiler. Even if write comments are not writing, no issues. It's only for documentation purpose. Then, yesterday I said a Java program is a collection of classes. What is it yesterday one word in platform independent? A Java program is what? It's a collection of classes. So whenever you want to write a Java program, you create a class and give some name of the class and giving it as welcome. Then open and close the rest of class. Then so to run a Java program, at least one class should contain the main method. Do you remember this point? I have given this point yesterday. So
yes.
to run a Java program, at least one class should contain the main method. And the main method should look like this. So it should be public, static, void main,
Monument.
and say string array args. I'll explain every word of this program later today only. So first let us understand how to type the program, how to compile and run, what settings we require. Then after that I'll come back to the program and explain every word of the program. Then, so whenever you want to run a Java program, we require main method. That point you remember. Then, in order to display some messages onto the screen, in case of Java we use a predefined class called system with out.println. So system.out.println, similar to printf function of C language or cout operator of C++, which is used to display messages onto the screen. So what is the message you want to display onto the screen? That message should go in double quotes, and every statement in Java should end with semicolon, and Java is case sensitive programming language. What is case sensitive? There is a difference between uppercase letters and lowercase letters. That's it. So this is a Java program what we have created. A simple program. Now save the file. And once you save the file, we need to compile the program. This file we call it as source code. The .java file is called as source code. Then come back to the command prompt. And what is the command to compile a Java program?
Java C.
Java C. So say at Java C and say the name of the file welcome.java. It says Java C is not recognized command. Java C is what? Not recognized command. So why? Because in online 23 there is no command called as Java C. In this folder online 23
We
there
have
is
to
no
create a
command Java C.
folder.
So Java C command is present in which folder? Java C command is present in which folder? Krishna
In
will discuss.
the
D folder?
Program files,
Right.
Java, bin.
Yeah, this one. You have to use the terminology. What is it? Java home/bin folder. Simple to remember. What you have to say the terminology Java home/bin folder. So in our case, what is Java home? D:/program file/java/adk 1.8.0. Okay. So what I need to do? I need to inform the operating system that go to bin folder and take the commands. So how to do that? So just copy this address up to bin folder Copy this address up to bin folder and say here. Let the command prompt say set path equal to paste the address. Yes, we should create the path. That only we are doing now. So before we compile the program, we are creating the path. So that's only. So for that reason only I am discussing. If I
Actually,
use JavaScript command, it won't compile the program. It will not understand the command. So for that reason only I am specifying where to set the path. Clear, Evan? Yes, Dinesh, Nitin?
can you please repeat it again?
Here, when I use JavaScript command, this JavaScript command is present in online 23 folder. So it is our own folder. Just now we created. So it is not present in online 23 folder. So where JavaScript command is present actually? So once we install Java, where JavaScript command
In
is available?
CD.
In D drive, of course. By default, it is C drive program
Uh,
files. So in my case, it is D drive program files, Java JDK 1.8.0 bin. I have shown here. In bin folder, program
yeah.
files, Java JDK 1.8.0 bin. In that one, you can find Java and JavaScript commands. So now I have to inform operating system that go to this bin folder and take the commands. So how to inform operating system? By using the command set path equal to. Set path equal to. Then we have to refer to the bin folder. Clear, Dinesh? No? Is it clear, Dinesh?
Yeah.
Right? We are informing operating system that go to bin folder and take
Yes.
the commands.
Okay.
That is the use of set path command.
Yeah, it's
This is
clear.
right. Then now, now, so once then says at the end semicolon percentage path percentage semicolon. The meaning of percentage path percentage is appending previous path settings. Means when your operating system is getting loaded, some path settings will happen automatically. Like that's the reason if I say notepad, notepad is opening. So I don't want to lose the previous path settings what has done previously. So to append to the previous path settings, we go for percentage path percentage. The percentage path percentage is used to append previous path settings. Okay. Now press enter key.
Is it compulsory to keep that
So
percentage
if you are
part
not keeping
percentage?
percentage path percentage, your Java C and Java commands will work. Java commands will work. But if I try to open Notepad, it won't open Notepad now because that path has
Okay.
been removed. So to append that, we go for percentage path percentage. Clear? Now we are appending.
Yeah.
Now compile the program here. Java C welcome.java. Okay. So once if there are no errors in the program, it will display the prompt again back. Now if I say dir, what is the use of dir? To list the directory element, that is to
Directly.
list the list of files in the directory. Now can you find the file welcome.class? Welcome.class. Yesterday I said no. When I use JavaScript command, it will create a file what welcome.class. So this .class file is called as
Like,
bytecode. Terminology
uh,
is very. This Docker file is called as what? Bytecode. And these bytecodes are only platform independent. These bytecodes are only what? Platform independent. So what makes Java platform independent? Simple words bytecodes. And the extension of bytecodes is Docker. Okay. So once we generate bytecode, then we need to run the program. So what is the command to run the program? To run the program Java. Java C is for compiling and Java is for running. To the Java command, what I need to pass? The .class file, not .java files. In our example, both are same names. But when you are running the program, always pass only .class files. So Java welcome, which displays what message to us? Welcome onto the screen. Clear with this?
yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, let me close this command prompt and reopen the command prompt again. Now, if I use JavaScript command, again it will say it's not recognized command. Why? Because whatever the path setting I have done just now, set path equal to at the command prompt, it is temporary. It is what? Temporary. Okay. If I close command prompt, again the path setting what you have done is lost. So every day I cannot open command prompt and do the setting. I cannot go for temporary settings. So I should go for permanent solution for this. I cannot do path setting every time. So how to do path setting permanently is I'm showing the steps. Right click on the computer. Right click on the computer and say properties. So right click on the computer and say properties. Then in this one, go to this advanced system settings. Go to advanced system settings. Then environment variables. Environment variables. Then say new. Then say new. I'll document this. Then the variable name is path. Then the value is your what? Your bin folder. Value is what? Your d:/program file slash java slash jdk 1.80 bin folder. Save. We need not say percentage path percentage here. It will automatically happen. That's it. That completes this setting. Now if I say Java C now, will it work? Again it will say not recognized. Why? Because if the command prompt is already open, after that if I do the setting at environment variables, that setting will not be applicable to the window which is open. So close it and reopen. Close it and reopen. Now if I say Java C, it will give some information about Java C. Okay. So these are the complete steps to develop a Java. Even this setting part I have documented. So set the path of Java variable home in environment variables. How to do it? Right click on computer properties. Then click on advanced system settings. Then click on environment variables. Then click on new. Then give the variable name as path, value as your bin folder. That's it. Okay. So with this, it completes your path. Okay. Even this is also documented properly with diagrams. Now, let me document every word what we discussed. So developing a Java program at command prompt. Let us start writing the document. So first of all, what I should do? Open command prompt. Open command prompt by typing cmd in start run. In start run, type cmd. Then it will show C drive for us by default. If you want to go to D drive, you can go to D drive. Else optional. You can even work in C drive. No issues. Then when I say D drive, it will show the directory structure as D drive. Then create a folder or directory Java programs. Your wish. In the document, I am saying Java programs. Any folder name you can use. Create a folder or directory Java programs as follows. So D drive, we can say md command Java programs. md means make directory. Okay. Change the folder or directory to Java programs as follows. cd Java programs. Now it will show the directory structure like d:/Java programs. So now we are working in the directory Java programs. Now set the path to Java home / bin folder as follows. What to do that? The command is at the command prompt set path equal to go for bin folder percentage path percentage. Then this percentage path percentage indicates means appending previous path settings. Previous path settings. Okay. Yeah. So once you set the path, then we need to start writing the code. Yeah. 1 second, everyone. Hello, Nagaraj. Hello, Nagaraj. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So we started at 10 o'clock only, just half an hour before. Hello, Nagaraj. Are you able to hear me properly? Yeah. So do you have any idea of Java before? Any basic idea of Java?
No, actually, I have some hoops concepts based on C++ only.
Okay.
I'm not in.
Not in Java. Okay, not a problem at all. So some basic programming knowledge if you are having, then no issues. Okay. So just we have done 2 classes.
Yes.
However, I'll be sending the documents and recordings to you once it gets confirmed to you. So once you are confirmed, immediately
Okay.
I'll be sending the documents and recordings. Don't worry at all. So however, all the things will get revised
Okay.
once again. Okay. So today we are just seeing about how to download Java and install Java on our machine. So I'll be sending a document. I'll be sending the document where you can find step-by-step
Okay.
diagrams how to download and install Java. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So to introduce myself, my name is Rashekar. Okay, you can call me Raj. And I'll be dealing with your complete Java technology. Okay, Nagaraj.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. So I'll be showing the things once again.
Okay.
Right. So I'm just documenting the how to develop a Java application at command prompt. So just we have to open the command prompt. Let me show once again. Excuse other people. I'm just showing once again. So how to
Okay.
write a Java program is just to open command prompt, and I've created a directory called
Okay.
as in D drive Java Online 23.
Hmm.
I've created a directory. So the batch number for this one is 23. So whenever you want to create a program, we say notepad, and I'm giving the name of the
Hmm.
file as welcome.java. Welcome.java, which will open notepad where I've typed this program. So I'll come back to this program and
Okay.
explain today only. Still I did not explain the program. So just we need to write the program.
Okay.
So once you write the program, we need to compile it. So how to compile is use a command java c and the name of the file. Java c is for compiling the source code. So when you compile
Java.
the program,
Yeah.
if there are no errors, it will display the prompt. And if you see the list of files in the directory, it will create a file called as welcome.class. So this .class file only we call it as bytecodes. You might have heard that Java is platform independent, right? So
Hmm.
Java is platform independent. What makes Java platform independent? Your .class files only, bytecodes. So these bytecodes can be used on any operating system. You can directly take this one and run these .class files. And how to run the Java program is Java command, Java byte. So which will display welcome message onto the screen. Okay. So these are the steps we have discussed and just documenting the same steps here. Right? Nagraj? Hello? Nagraj, is it clear up here? Something? Right? So now,
No,
so
no, no.
before I use Java C and Java commands, what I need to do? I need to set the path to which folder? Bin folder. Why? Because why I should set to bin folder of program files Java JDK? Why? Because your
Yeah.
Java C and Java commands are available in bin folder. That's the reason we have set the path to this folder. Then, now create a file welcome.java as follows. So how to create the file? In D drive, Java programs. Now we are working in the folder Java programs. So whenever you want to create a Java program, say notepad and the name of the file welcome.java. Notepad welcome.java. Then, so it will open the notepad for us. Then type the following code in welcome.java. Type the following code in welcome.java. So this code. I'll explain every word of this program today.
Okay.
Yeah. So once you type the program, don't forget save the file. Some people will compile the program without saving the file. So shortcut is Control S. Then once you type the Java program, we need to compile it. So how to compile? Compile welcome.java file. So how to compile? What is the command? To compile a Java program?
Java C.
Java.
Yeah. Java C and the name of the file welcome.java.
Welcome.java.
So when I say Java C welcome.java, which creates welcome.class file called as bytecode, which creates what? Welcome.class file called as bytecode, and these bytecode files and the bytecode files or platform independent. What's the meaning of platform? Any operating system. Platform means operating. So on any operating system, we can run this .class files. Okay. Good. So once we get the .class file, we need to run the .class file. So run welcome.class. So we won't run .java files. We run only .class files as follows. So to run it, at the prompt, we say Java and the name of the .class file. So welcome. When I say Java welcome, which displays welcome message onto the screen. So these are the complete steps. Okay. So open command prompt, go to your directory, say notepad to type the Java program, compile the program using JavaScript command, run the program using Java command. That's it. So within 1 or 2 days, you will feel comfortable about all these commands. It will become like ABCs finally for you. Okay. Only for the first day, if you are not having any background of Java, you feel complex, but they are nothing commands for you. Clear, everyone? Any questions up to here?
Yes, it's clear.
Right? Then. So whatever the path setting we have done at command prompt to use Java and JavaScript commands, it is for temporary. It is for temporary. So how to do permanent path setting? I have shown to you know how to do permanent path setting. Setting path permanently. Setting path permanently. How to do it? Right click on computer.
Computer,
Then
go to
go
advanced
to
settings, environmental
properties.
variables, and paths.
So once you say computer properties, then click on advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Then click on new. Click on environment variables. Environment variables. Then click on new. Then it will ask variable name. So give the variable name as path and variable value. Give it as your bin folder. Give up the bin folder. That's it. So click OK. So this completes permanent path setting. So let me show once. Right click on computer and say properties. Click on advanced system settings. Click on environment variables. Click on new. In this variable name give path and value bin folder. That's it. Okay, with that it completes permanent path setting. So I need not do path setting to compile a Java program every time. Only one time process. Okay, clear everyone up here?
Yes.
Dinesh, Girish, Hemant and
Yes.
Nagraj. Nagraj, is it clear something to you today? Up here?
Yes, it's clear.
Then now let us go for the program and understand the meaning of every word of the program. Let us go to the program what we have typed. So this is the program. So let us go to this program and understand the meaning of every word of this program. So let me call this one as explanation of first Java program. So the things what I discussed in the previous class will get repeated automatically in this explanation. Line 1. I'm giving the lines to every here. Line 2. Line 3. Line 4. Line 5. Line 6. No. So what is line 1 here? Line 1 is what here? It's a comment line. Right? It's a comment line. And what is the use of comment line? And use it to document the program. So what is the main use of comment line? It is used to document the program. Document means what? On which date you are writing the program, who is writing the program, purpose of the program, so and so things. Okay, and use it to document the program and ignored by compiler. Ignored by what? Compiler. So writing comments is optional for us. Then, so we are writing two types of comments. Slash slash. What is the use of slash slash? Single line comment.
Single line.
Single line comment. Slash star and end with again star slash is multi-line comment.
Multi-line for
It is what? Multi-line. Then line 2. So line 2. What is line 2? It's a class. So what is this one is? Whenever you are writing a Java program is a collection of classes. Yesterday I said this part. So a Java program is what? It's a collection of classes. So whenever you want to write a program, you have to compulsory write minimum one class in the program. So a Java program is a collection of classes. This is what? It's a collection of classes. So how to create a class? Class name. That's it. Then line 3 and 8. These are what? Open and close braces of class welcome. Line 3 and 8 is what here? Open and close braces of class welcome. The scope of the class welcome. Then very important line 4. That is your main method. Now let us understand every word of this. So what is this main method? So yesterday I have given one point. If I create a class, in order to run a Java program, at least one class should contain the main method. Why main method? It is the entry point to run the Java program. Main method is what? It is the entry point to run the Java program. Now, before I go to this main method, let me take one important word, JVM. So can anyone say JVM stands for what?
Java
JVM
Virtual
stands for
Manager.
Java Virtual Machine.
Machine.
JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine.
Java Virtual Machine.
So JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. So whenever you write a Java program and when you run the Java program, so when you compile, it will generate bytecode. Then who is going to execute your bytecode on your operating system is JVM. So JVM acts as an interface between your Java bytecode and operating system. So JVM is going to responsible for executing your bytecode. And whenever JVM executes your bytecode, so it will search for main method of your class. It will start running the program from main method. So JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, which acts as an interface between Java bytecode and operating system, which acts as an interface between Java bytecode and operating system. Okay. Then when a Java program is executed, JVM looks for main method in the class. JVM looks for what? Main method in the class. And what is this main method? Main method is the entry point to run Java. Main method is the entry point to run Java. Now let us understand why this main is public. Why main is public. So public is access modifier. We call it as access modifier. Means giving permissions whether we can access this main outside of the class or not. Okay. Public means we can access everywhere. So let us go one by one. Public. Public is a access modifier, which I'll discuss more in future again. So public is what? It's a access modifier. And public members are accessible outside the class or folder. Public members are accessible what? Outside of the class and folder. Anywhere we can access. Then, so where JVM is present? JVM is present in outside of your class or folder. Sorry. So JVM is not present in your class, welcome. JVM is outside of your class. So JVM is going to access your main method. So in order to enter into main method by JVM, the main method should be what? We have to give permission to enter into main. So the main method should be what? Public. So since JVM is outside the class or folder, to access main method by JVM, main method should be what? Should be public. That's the reason main is public. We'll have more discussion about public keyword in future again. Then next and very important word, static. Why main method is static? Now on the first day I have discussed, like whenever you create a class is a collection of data members and methods. A class is what? It's a collection of data members and methods. Let me take you there. Let me open the document again for you. So I said a class is a collection of data members, means like if I take class employee number, employee name and salary, some methods like set employee details and display employee details. So a class is a collection of data members and methods. And I've given one more point. The members of the class are accessible by using object with the data operator. So we can access the members of the class by using object with the data operator. This point is important. Now in this one, is this main method belongs to welcome class? Is this main method belongs to welcome class? Anyone? Is main method is a part of welcome class? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then to access main method, did we create object of welcome anyway? To access main method, did we create object of anyway? No, we did not create object of welcome anyway. But I should access main method. We did not create object of welcome, but I want to access main method. So when you want to access a method without creating objects, when you want to access a method without creating objects, then make that method as what? Static. So the meaning of static here is static members are accessible directly with the class name without creating objects. So generally we say that whenever you want to access the members of the class, we have to create object. But if you want to access a member without creating objects, then we have to make that member as what? Static. So how it will be internally is, so when you are running the program, we use Java command and the name of the class. Java welcome. So it will automatically add internally dot. So it is calling main method with what? Class name, not with object. So when you want to access a method, with a class name, then make that one as static. Make it as static. Then void. What's meaning of void? Anyone? Void means
Uh, to return back. Like,
yeah, no written type. Void means what? It's a written type, but
yeah.
void indicates no written type. So this main method does not
No.
return anything back to JVM. So void means no written type. Void means what? No written type. That is, main method does not return anything back to JVM. Main method does not return anything back to what? JVM. That's the reason main method is void. Then main is the method name. Then one more thing, string array args. So what is the meaning of array? What's the meaning of array? Array means
Collection of similar.
collection of similar elements. Collection of elements is called as an array. So in this one, string is a predefined class. So in this one, string is what? It's a predefined class. And how to remember case sensitivity in Java? So when you go for class, the first letter of every word is capital. So in string, only one word is there. So S is capital. So how to remember case sensitive for class? The first letter of every word is capital. We'll even discuss the standards for other concepts like methods, variables. So for now, you remember the standard for class is what? First letter of everybody is capital. In that way, we can remember. Then, so string is what? It's a predefined class. And the main use of this string array args is it is used to store command line arguments. It is used to store command line argument values. So let us understand what is the meaning of this command line. So when you are running the program, we use what command? Java, and we'll say the name of the class welcome. And after this, if I pass some values xyz, after this, if I pass xyz like this at the command prompt, if I say Java welcome xyz is the command prompt, Java welcome xyz. So these xyz only are called as command line arguments. One way of giving input to the program. So in this one, x, y, and z are command line arguments, and these values are stored in string array here. So that means args of 0, because index starts with 0, array index starts with 0, args of 0 contains x, args of 1 contains y, and args of 2 contains, that's so whenever you want to pass some arguments to the program, you can pass the data in the command. Okay, so I'll even take the example program in future how to go for command line arguments. Okay, so any questions up here? Anyone? Any questions up here?
No.
Right? No. So that is about our main method. Then next lines are what here? 5 and 7, they are open and close braces of main method. Open and close braces of main. Okay. Next one, line 6. What is it? System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Now, so what is the use of this system dot out dot println? This is similar to printf function of C or cout operator of C++. So it is used to display messages or the value of variables onto the screen. Okay, it is used to display messages or the value of variables onto the screen. Okay, or both. Value of variables or both onto the screen. Or both means what? Even message come value. Okay. In this one, system. What is the system? System is a predefined class. So S is capital. System is what here? It's a predefined class. It's a predefined class. Then what is this out here? Anyone can say? Out is an object of which class? Anyone? Girish? Out is an object of which class? Any idea? So let me elaborate here. So I'm writing the class system here, internal code, class system. So out is what? Some people will say out is an object of system class. It's wrong. Remember, out is not an object of system. So out is what? It's a data member of system class, a part of class. Like if I take class employee number, name, salary, they are data members. So similar way, out is a data member of system class and it's an object of print string. Out is what? It's an object of print string. Then if you observe here, are you accessing this out with a class name or object? Is I'm accessing out with a class name or object? This system is a class or object? System is what here? Is it a class or object? It's a class, right?
It's
So
a
when I'm
class.
accessing a member,
Predefined class.
so when I'm accessing a member with a class name directly, then that member should be what here? Static. Okay. So static members are accessible directly with the class name. That's the point you can remember. However, I'll discuss near to half an hour and static even in future. So for now, you remember if the member is static, we can access that member with the class name directly. We can access that member directly. So what is this out here? Out is a data member of system class It's an object of print stream class and it is static. It is what static. Out is a data member of system class and it is an object of print stream class and it is static. It is static. Then println. Can anyone say println is method of which class? Println is a method of which class? You should be able to say easily.
System class.
Come on. No.
Yes.
So who is calling println method? Out object.
Println.
Out object is calling println method. So out is an object of which class?
Print stream.
Print stream. So only the object of the class can call the methods. That's point we remember. So
Print
it
stream.
is a method of
Print stream.
print stream class. So which will take care of printing the output on the screen. It's a method of print stream class. Okay. So don't worry, it's like a small overview of the explanation only. So some of the words you won't understand today only because still we don't know what is Java object-oriented programming. Still we are not good with what is class, what is object, what are methods, everything. So today is like a small overview of the concepts here. A small overview, a outcome. Okay. So from tomorrow we'll be starting off with Java basics, where we start off with from the fundamental scratch of Java, where we discuss what is variable, what is data type, what are operators, then if statements, switch statement, all those things will be discussed. Step by step one by one. Okay. So up to these days, what we discussed is the complete overview of Java, what we discussed. So from tomorrow, we'll be starting off with the basic concepts of Java, from the basic word of Java. Okay. So don't worry, even if you have missed something up to now, so all the things will get covered automatically, and we'll be sending the documents what you have done previous classes. You can easily manage it. Okay. So,
Okay,
Hemant,
thanks.
yeah, Hemant, I need to get the mail ID from Swarup. Just you can inform Swarup to send your mail ID to me. So officially I need to get from Swarup only, your mail ID. Okay. So you can put a mail to Swarup to send the documents. So he'll forward your mail ID to me. Immediately I'll take care of it. Yeah. Nagaraj, so are you,
Yeah,
yeah, is
thank
it
you.
clear to you today for today's class something?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
clear.
don't worry, because if you have joined today at 10 o'clock, it would have much more clear for you. So not a issue
Yeah,
at all. So we'll manage the things. So within 1 or 2 days, the things will get clear automatically. Will automatically come into the
yeah, sure.
right. So you can also inform knowledgeable people about the sessions, and once you confirm them, so they'll be passing your mail ID to me. Then I'll be forwarding the documents to you immediately. Yeah,
Yeah,
right,
sure, Rajesh.
right. And whatever the link you got
Thank
today,
you.
you can use the same link to tomorrow also to join the class. And everyone,
Okay.
whatever
Yeah,
the
sure.
link you got it today, you can use that same link up to 12th March. Same link. Okay. So I won't be sending any more
Okay.
links up to 12th March. Okay.
Okay.
Right. And before 1 hour, you will be getting the reminders to join the class. So you can just even click on that link also to join the class. Okay. So anyone, any
Okay.
questions? Dinesh, Girish?
Not
No.
right now.
Right. Right. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Thank you all.
See you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
నాకు ఒకసారి చెప్పురా